Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. Today we are going to learn how to multiply numbers in Google Sheet. So let's begin the video. Begin by opening your Google Sheet containing the numbers you want to multiply. Now click on the cell where you want the result of your multiplication to appear. Now type an equal sign and we are just going to type B2. Now we want to say multiply, put a little star there, that means multiplication. And then just click C2 and press enter. That's it, you have learned how to multiply numbers in Google Sheet. Stay tuned for more helpful videos here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.